Howdy folks, Zach Smith, Pest Dude. Hey, check this out. We found ants. Ants are pretty exciting, but look, I always get this question about ants. What are we gonna do? What are we gonna spray? How are we gonna treat? Oh look, the ants are just coming in for the Christmas tree water, okay? And so that's fine. If you follow the ants, they'll tell you what they're feeding on, water or sugar. What I'm gonna do is say this. If I wipe these guys up with a rag, that'd be the end of it. If I take away their sugar source or their water source, that'd be the end of it. If I start spraying, that's not going to be the end of it. That's not the solution. Spraying, look, every one of these individuals is irrelevant. They are a group, a hive, a conglomeration. They're all working. Oh, look, he's got something. See, they're all she. Calling an ant a he is kind of like, do you even know? Do you even know? Anyway, figure out what they're eating. But follow the trail, take away their food. Don't spray them, take away their food. That is my advice. If you want to give them a sugary bait to lure them away, put a little bit of sugar and water in a tray and put it out of the way, and you will have ants go to that. And now they won't be in the way. That is always very helpful. So if you want to deal with this long term, get your ant bait stations on the outside of the house to control your ant population year-round. I recommend a liquid ant bait, 1% borate. There's a product out there called Dominant, 1%. It's less popular than the 4 or 5%, but it's good. It's good stuff. You can use the taro from Home Depot or wherever you go. The point is give them the sugary bait away from where you want them, and then they won't be bothering you, and you can deal with them on your own terms. There's nothing you can do to just treat these ants and make the ant colony go away except for give them bait. There is 10 million, zillion, bazillion ants involved in this colony, and we're just dealing with a teeny little fraction of it. So with that said, I'm going to shut this up now, and you can give some consideration. Check out links in the description for some of these products. All right, folks, take care.